used to be a fan ng mga Disney movies, waiting for my own happy ending. But eventually, I stopped. Because I thought that they would never come. And after 10 years, you came back and made me a believer. Pinaniwala mo ako na may isang taong magmamahal sa akin ng gaya ng pagmamahal na binibigay mo. And from that moment, I know that my future was with you.
My promise to you is simple. I will love you unconditionally and without hesitation. As a family, we will create a home filled with learning, laughter, and compassion.
Mahirap i-describe kasi very opposite talaga yung personality namin. Pero I think there's something about him that attracts me well and I don't know what. Parang pag nakita mo siya, ay, eto na yun eh. Parang kahit sino yata yung dumating, pag feel mo na siya na yun, siya na yun.
I vow to love you with all my heart, to support you in every adventure and food trips, and to always be there for you. I promise to laugh with you, kahit na corny at weird ang jokes mo, and cherish every moment we're together, kahit di mo ko pinapansin pag NBA na. And yes, kahit matanda na tayo, I'll still comfort you pag natatalo yung Lakers.
Nagmamahal at mag-aalaga sa iyo hanggang sa dulo ng ating buhay. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. May my heart be your shelter and my arms be your home.
Hobby, ayan. After 10 years, finally, ayun. Nagagalit kapag sinasabi ko na pag tayo, kasi sabi mo, it's stupid, pero eto pa rin. Ayan. I'll meet you later. Love you.
Actually, magka-classmate kami nung college. So, ayun, hindi naman naging madali yung lahat katulad ng sa ibang relationship.
Classmate kami ng college. Tapos, naging kami nung 4th year. Kaso nagkaiwalay kami. So, after 10 years, kita ulit kami. So, yun na.
Ayun, nagkaroon ng chance na magkita ulit. Kaso nagkausap. Ayun, dun na nagsimula.
Parang after graduation, supposedly, nagpa-plan na kami noon magpakasal. Kaso, yun, nagkaiwalay kami. Tapos, during pandemic, doon kami ulit. So, actually sa LinkedIn lang.
Sa LinkedIn kami nag-chat pang ano kasi yun pang work related lang. So,
Nag-usap kami sa LinkedIn, tapos after nun, yun, tuloy-tuloy na yung communication. Hanggang sa nagkita kami nung nawala na yung di ba bawal lumabas. So after nun, yun. Iris, congrats. Raffle. Sandy, ikaw ang nanalo. Nicole. Sawadi ka!
Sunny. Jasper. Tatagal yan ng 10 years, boy.
Pinagpe-pray mo kay Lord kung sino ba talaga yung para sa'yo. Then eventually, bumalik uli siya. Tapos sabi ko, kung siya talaga, huwag mo na patagalin. Gawin mo.
I promise to love and honor you each and every day. To love with you when you are happy, to support you when you are sad. To guide you when you ask for. To ask for direction and to challenge you to be a better person.
Ano to? Wifey, I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Our journey to forever starts today. Aww. Sana all. Thank you.
Crocodile.
Uy. Oh, tindi. Tindi. Oh, ganda. This gift is for you. Hope you like it and use it. Can't wait to be your wife. Wow.
Thank you sa pagbigay ng gift sa akin. Ilang oras na lang. Hintay ka lang dyan.
Walang makasisira, walang makipaghihiwalay kay Richard and Danny Lynn. Yun po yun, no? Lifetime yung inyong pagsasama.
I don't know where I'd be without you. Was running through the dark till I found you. It feels like the first time that I'm breathing, feeling lighter than the wind. Now my world is spinning around you. Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days.
Maraming salamat anak sa iyo. Kasi napakabait mo at saka matulungin ka. Saka sana pagpalain ka ng Diyos. Kayong dalawa ng asawa mo. Maging mabuti sana ang inyong pagsasama at ang inyong buhay ay samahan sana ng Panginoon hanggang wakas.
Ano? Pag-aasawa mo sa inyo,
Umiyak ka na umiyak. Huwag ka muna umiyak. Thank you.
I'm falling for you.
kasal ng anak ko, masayang-masaya na ako.
Ganon din ako bilang ama na mga anak ko.
Kakapamilya na siya.
Wala kami hangat kundi ang kanilang tagumpay at magandang kinabukasan. Thank you kay Mama at kay Papa sa pag-guide sa amin, sa aming magkakapatid. Ayun, sa lahat ng binigay nila para sa amin.
Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you.
Sa harap ng Diyos at ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, pinipili kitang maging katuwang habang buhay. Ipinapangako ko na maging tapat sa ating pag-ibig.
The time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever. Like the stars fall from the sky.
I promise to pursue you, to fight for you, and to love you unconditionally for the rest of my life. Today, I choose you. I'll choose you over and over. Without a pause, without a doubt, I'll keep on choosing you. I love you always and forever.
Like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you.
Richard, you may now kiss your wife.
I'm falling